How to fix brain break crashing. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is completed, you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab. Now you want to search for Redist. Click on the first link here and you will need to download and install the distributables from this table. You will only need the 86 and the 64 installers. If you are running Windows, you will need to download these and install them, and it will ask you to reboot your computer once it's done. And the next step is to check for your GPU driver updates. If you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you will need the NVIDIA app. And then from drivers, you can get the latest available updates. If you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And once you've downloaded and installed the latest updates, you can open up Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. If you'll find this helpful, leave a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.